2020 Leaf autograph full-size helmets. It's a 2-box break. Number 1, Patrick is the Giants and Falcons. Justin's the Raiders and Bengals. Robert's the Packers and Panthers. Joe is the Broncos and Patriots. Leah's the Seahawks and Redskins. John is the Ravens and Lions. Chris is the Steelers and the Chargers. Ricky is the Niners, Titans. Leah is the Cowboys and Jaguars. Justin is the Finns and Colts. Jared is the Bears and Eagles. Dwayne is the Chiefs and Bucks. Chris is the Browns and Jets. Jimmy is the Texans and Cardinals. Chris is the Vikings and Bills. And Scott is the Rams and Saints. Geno Smith, yeah. You should call Vic. I'm surprised that the Patriots and Bengals weren't picked. Brady and Burrow are like 2 headliners in this. No. There's a lot better options out there than Geno Smith, man. I mean, look, guys like Ryan Fitzpatrick and Mitchell Trubisky and Marcus Mariota aren't going to cost a whole lot. Maybe a 3rd rounder at most. Which, guess what? I'm very much okay with giving up a 3rd rounder for Ryan Fitzpatrick if we have to. Because this team has talent, especially the offensive side of the ball. Dalton just isn't the right fit. Now, if we had an O-line, Dalton would be a great fit. But, and we don't have Dalton now. We have Ben DiNucci. All right, good luck, guys. Autograph helmet. I do think, and I'm still standing by this. I'm still standing by this prediction. I do think that before the trade deadline, we see Harrison Smith go to Dallas. I'm telling you, either Harrison Smith or Justin Simmons. Yeah, the defense is atrocious, but I mean, yeah, look. Oh, that's right. These are these. I don't know if you got. Yeah, you guys didn't see that. All right. Yo, if you guys can guess the player, if you guys can guess the exact player, I'll give you guys $25 break credit. We're done. It's gotta be the exact player though. One guess per person. One guess per person. Justin, they weren't. Look, we weren't great when Dak was healthy, but we weren't getting blown out. There's a big difference. He's on the. They put him on the trade block, Jeffrey. They put him on the trade block, so they don't need him. Too bad. He's in the last year of his deal. They don't want to re-sign him. So why you beat up and pushing people to leave? Cup of the siege. Still slave. I'm gonna keep all your freedom, partner. I get it, circles. I need a name, Jared. Jeffrey, I'm not saying you're wrong. I think he is a great safety. But no hints. No hints. You guys just gotta guess, man. There's Zeke. We did pull the Zeke, actually. Well, there's probably more than one, I guess. That is. We'll let it go for another minute or so. A couple, 30 seconds to a minute. And then we'll go ahead and reveal who it is. But they don't have cap space. Jeffrey, Kirk Cousins, he literally screwed that team. They have no cap space, and they're not going to be able to re-sign him. So they might as well get. They're 1-6 or 1-5. They're not going anywhere this year. They might as well get something for him. I did not say we pulled him already. I said we've already pulled a Zeke. We've already pulled a Zeke. Yeah, we haven't pulled this guy. I mean, I actually don't remember if we have or not. We may have, but I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. Let me comment the line. I mean, he might do it, but I'm going to comment the line. We pulled a Zeke, like an Ezekiel Elliott. A Zeke. A Zeke Elliott. Alright, which ones are we on? We are on our 2-box Leaf full-size football helmets, number 1, Ron. There's a Chicago Bear helmet. I think there was a couple Bears. It is Beckett COA. You guys can see it on the top camera. It is bagged to the box. Where's the Bears? Jared with the Bears. There you go, Jared. So this is going to go out to Jared. How about a Mike Singletary, Hall of Fame? What does that say? 08? Mike Singletary. So nobody guessed Mike Singletary. So nobody gets the credit. But we got 4 more to run, so. We got 4 more to run. I mean, we have, I think, 3 more cases. So we'll keep doing the $25 break card draw until somebody hits it. I mean, it's got to happen eventually, right? Just a little something fun too. That's why. Nice one there, Jared. You've been doing pretty good. So we weren't live last night, but you did pretty good Friday, and you're already off to a good start tonight. Almost. You almost got it. Look, if we were doing teams, you would have got it, but... Alright, helmet number 2. Which way do I want to cut? Okay, look, you got 3 more chances tonight. You guys can already start guessing. Before I for this second one. One guess per person. If you guess the exact player, then you get $25 break credit. You know what? I'm not even gonna look, bro. We're both gonna be surprised. I'll give this one a minute. It's a good song. It just came out Friday, I think. Luke Combs. What if it's multi-signed? So if you guess a player, then you're good. If you guess a player. So, like, for example, I think the triplets is in here. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. But if we pull the triplets and you say Irvin, then that's good enough. Michael Irvin was on the helmet. You guess Michael Irvin. That's all right. Yeah, if it's multi-signed, you only have to guess one player. Obviously. Yeah, this was 2-box break number 1, Justin. 1 guess per person, guys. If you guess the exact player, you get $25 break credit. $25 credit if you guess the exact player. Well, that's a good question. I mean, we'll do a random. We'll do a random. If it's yeah, so Lee, I get what you're saying now. So if you say Irvin and somebody else says Emmett, we'll do a random. Cutting that thing up in 3 pieces. No, we'll do a random real quick. I can pull a random.org up on my phone. We'll do a random to see who gets the $25 credit. Lee's going with JJ again. Just to confirm, you mean JJ Watt, right? Just wanna make sure. Larry Fitz, that's a bold one. I'd love to pull it. We haven't pulled anything autographed by Larry Fitz yet. Love to pull a Larry Fitz auto. That'd be dope. Tharv, Aikman. Yeah, I got you. I got you, Patrick. You picked Juju. I saw that. Phil St. Peyton. Watson. Watt. Alright, word. I got you. I got you. Hopkins. Alright, we're going to give it another, 30 seconds. So. Alright, I'm calling it. Alright, let's see who we got. Like I said, I don't even know, so. For surprise. I don't believe we picked. I do want to make sure now. Juju, Ruggs, Wentz, Newsom, Lattimore, Kirk, Eli Waters, Staubach, JJ, Fitz, Favre, Aikman, Juju, Peyton, Watson, Watt, Danucci. Yeah, you did. You hit a Manu Ginobili sneaker. Very nice one here. Yeah, you don't see a lot of stuff now. Yeah, Ginobili is a rare auto, I guess. Beckett COA. Poe Jackson. Let's go to the Raiders and Justin. I did do the sneaker already, Justin, yeah. Let's go on to Justin Chrysler with the Raiders. Albert Haynes. Who's Albert Hainsworth, Brian? An old guy. That's sick, dude. It is a wrap. Oh, yeah. Found it. Congrats on that, Justin. Nice hit with the Raiders. Nah, I don't know who Albert Hainsworth is. I'm being completely 100% honest with you. Yeah, the Singletary was a wrap. Yep. Yeah, we haven't pulled an authentic so far out of these.